Hey everyone, this is going to be a really short video on how to change a battery inside this Honda key fob. The battery that goes in there is CR2032. This is the battery that goes in there, okay? Alright, so choose Energizer or Duracell. Get a name brand for these. That's what the battery is, just a button battery, obviously. Alright, well, let's get to the chase, okay? Alright, so we got a key fob here. So when my Honda told me that the key fob battery is low, I panic a little bit because I want to be able to start and stop the car, as I didn't think I have a key. Well, it turns out you actually do have a key, but there's no place to start the car with the key. You can just open the door. Alright, and the key is hidden here inside. This is the key here, this metal part. To get to it, you just unlock it here with this little like slide switch. Okay, you pull that. And voila, here's your key. Okay, so you can use it to open the door just in case you have something stuck in the door. But if the battery is dead, obviously you can't start the car because you only start the car with this, if this is present inside the car. Alright, so to change the battery on this thing, how do you do that? Well, it turns out that, let me focus on here. Turns out that if you open up this key here, take the key out. Again, this is just how it pops out here. You can use it to pry it open right here. So basically insert this key in here and it just pries this open. Okay? Now be careful, because what I did here, I pulled this whole thing away and then it messed up my buttons and stuff. So you want to be careful that when you take out the battery, you hold down the body here, otherwise the whole thing's gonna pull out. Alright, and then you just like slide your fingernail under the battery. Try to like slide these things out of the way. Okay, and then you take out the battery. Okay, and this thing should last like a year or two, honestly. And then we just put a new battery in, okay? As simple as that. Then you put this back together. It should just snap back in place. Make sure you align everything correctly. Takes a bit of force. And it's done, alright? That's it. And you just replace the key. And that's it. You just change the battery. So, yeah, I hope you found this useful. Please rate, subscribe, or share. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.